Hello, and welcome to MotioNew unboxing of 10-watt MND-1410 Communinet. All the parts are positioned inside a cushion box for protection during transportation. You can see the tripod, the adapter for the angle alignment, and the mounting bracket for the antenna installation. The patch antenna and the omni antenna are fixed on the bracket and connected to the ground module using RF extensions. The omni antennas of the air unit can be installed directly or using an extension. The modules have a web interface for parameter configuration. You can set up the serial interfaces, S-bus interface, remote to local serial mapping, and monitor the ground and air module's status.